All right, today I have a dryer and I'm going to show you how to dry your clothes fast, the fastest way inside of your dryer. I'm going to go ahead and show you do it. I'm using a Samsung dryer right here. Now I have clothes in here that just finished drying. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these, I'm going to place them inside of the dryer, okay? So I'm placing them in the dryer. You also want to make sure that your lint filter is clean. And if it's not clean, you should clean it because that will prevent it from drying the clothes efficiently and fastly, or just fast. You get the point. So once you've done that, you clean the lint filter. You're going to go ahead and shut the dryer door. Once you shut the dryer door, make sure that the power is on for the dryer. Oh, did I turn it off? Need to turn it back on. So once I've turned it on, okay, turn the dryer back on, I'm going to look at all of the selections up here. They have delicates, permanent press, sanitized, bedding, heavy duty, normal, quick dry, time dry, air fluff, refresh, and wrinkle away. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go where it says quick dry. Your dryer may have something similar to this, maybe not using those words, but quick dry could be fast dry or efficient dry or dry these daggone clothes fast, whatever it is, select it. Once you select it, if you look on here, it gives you no options on anything other than no options right here. It's going to dry them efficiently. It's going to use probably the most amount of heat and the most amount of velocity when it comes to blowing the hot air on the clothes to get them dry. And once you've selected the quick dry, just go right here and start. And that is how you dry the clothes quickly inside of your dryer. This happens to be a Samsung. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching.